Students, today in this video lesson we are going to learn about the sentence structure, and this is the second part of sentence structure. In the first part we had learned about the simple sentences, and in the second part we are going to learn about the compound sentences. So here we are going to learn about the compound sentences. Let's see what we can learn in it. Now in the previous video we had learned about the simple sentences, and we learned that there are four kinds of simple sentences, and with the four ways we can make a simple sentence. Now in a compound sentence, let's see what we can how many sentences we can make through this structure. Now you can see here there is a word which is known as the fanboys. Okay, fanboys. Here F stands for A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. These are actually coordinating conjunctions. Okay, conjunctions, as you know, is a word which joins two words or two sentences or two phrases. So these are known as the fanboys, and other name is given to them as a coordinating conjunctions. Now see what the work they can provide to us. So what are these things? Now coordinating conjunctions are known as the fanboys. Why? Because it's an acronym which we use for these coordinating conjunctions. Now what is an acronym? Acronym is actually an abbreviation formed from the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a word. Now here you can see FANBOYS. Okay, this is called an acronym. Acronym is giving us a one complete word. Okay, and it is giving a one letter. So acronym is a kind of an abbreviation. Okay, but it has a complete word as well. Like F is a letter. It's a kind of an abbreviation, but it is a complete word which stands for, and for mean to say aim or the purpose. Now let's move. Now how we can make a compound sentence. Here you can see in this example, Grace opened the door. Okay, Grace opened the door. She looked outside. Now these both sentences, or you can see these both clauses are the independent clauses. Okay, independent clause mean to say a clause which can stand alone, and a clause is the part of the sentence, and the clause contains a subject and the predicate. So these two independent clauses are actually connected by this coordinating conjunction, which is also known as the fanboy conjunction. So when this and this clause has a connector, which is a coordinating conjunction, and this connector is joining these two clauses, and it is going to make a one sentence, we call it the compound sentence. Okay, as you know, compound mean to say the combination of two things. Okay, one and two, the first one is here and the next one is here, and these both things are going to be combined with the coordinating conjunction. So that's why we call it the compound sentence. Now see these few examples here. uh, I am good at swimming. I don't like it. Okay, this class and this class is going to be coordinated by this conjunction. Okay, this the but is connecting these both independent clauses. So here but is playing the role of the connector, and that's why the first sentence and this second sentence both are going to make a single sentence. That's why we call it the compound sentence. It was raining, I took an umbrella. Okay, it was raining, I took an umbrella. So these both sentences are combined with the word so. I was late, I wasn't tired. Okay, these both sentences are combined with the yet, and yet plays the role of the but. Okay, now I have not met Steve, nor have I met Suzanne. Okay, again the sentence is combined with the nor. So these are the examples of the compound sentences. Compound sentences वे हूंदा आहिनि जेके ॿ क्लासेस हुजनि पर उहे मिलाया वञनि कंहिं कंजक्शन सां ऐं ॿ जुमिला जॾहिं कंजक्शन सां मिलाया वञनि त उहे हिकिड़े कंपाउंड सेंटेंस जो रोल प्ले कंदा आहिनि. Now, if you learned these compound sentences in a very well manner, you can do a lot of things with the help of these coordinating conjunctions. Means you can write a story, you can create the word, the sentence matching worksheet, and many more other exercises you can do with the help of these coordinating conjunctions, because coordinating conjunction is also very essential part of the composition. Now here you can see in this slide, my family and I went to the jungle to see wild animals. Okay, now again we have there two sentences which are known as the compound sentences. We saw a lion. Okay, since I was scared, I closed my eyes. The lion had a cub, but it was so stinky. We saw all the animals. We saw all the animals and went back home. Okay, so this is a small story which has been created by using the coordinating conjunctions, which are also known as the fan voice. So you can create a small story with the help of these conjunctions. Okay, so this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you understood about the compound sentences and especially this new word fanboys. So have a nice day.